On January the 24th, 2022, a day that will live in infamy, a company turned its back on us and started removing menu items willy-nilly. Well, McDonald's, I'm talking to you. You can remove the McRib, you can ban the bagel, but you will not banish my breakfast wrap. So let's bring it back. How's it going, appetizers, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are well. Yes, and obviously today we are going to be making our version of the McDonald's breakfast wrap. So here's a couple of things that you're going to need to make this breakfast wrap. We have got just some basic white tortillas. I've got two different styles, just in case for size difference. You're going to need some tomato ketchup, a potato for our rosti, or hash brown, and then I've got some shallots just to put through that mix. We've got some streaky bacon and some sausage meat, and then some sort of Swiss style cheese. First thing we're going to be doing is peeling our potato, peeling our shallot. So once peeled, grab yourself a grater, any sort of grater. You can use a microplane if you want. I've got a box grater. Put yourself a tea towel down, grate into the tea towel. We're going to use the tea towel to strain off all the excess water from the potato. Otherwise, you won't get it crispy. So, start grating. So, once it's grated, just grab the corners of your tea towel, grab another bowl, start twisting. And you'll see the starchy water coming out of there. That's what will prevent your rosti from going crispy. And that's what you'll get left with. So that can go into another bowl. So once it's drained, make sure that shallot and that potato are combined. Once you've seasoned it, flavoured it what you want, put it to one side and we'll come back to that later. Mixed up our pork patties. So this was 250 grams of sausage meat. I've added onion granules, ground garlic, salt and pepper. I personally don't think it needs much more. Take that mix, quarter it down, turn it into patties and throw it in the fridge to firm up before you cook it so that they don't fall apart when you're frying. Bacon, 4 sheets of streaky on top of a silicone mat. We've got some maple style syrup that we're going to drizzle over the top. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Every sheet that's going to go on top of that. And that'll keep it nice and flat in the oven whilst it goes crispy. So I never actually said in the intro, but you are going to need a couple of eggs for like the little omelette style thing they do. I think they just call it like a flat egg. So now we'll season these eggs afterwards. So don't whisk all the way through, just a little blend through, keep it a little bit stringy in there, sort of helps make the egg a little bit more aerated when you're cooking it, personally. So that's the bacon in, next we will move on to our pork patties. So, pan on, flag of oil, we're going to get that hot. So I know what the internet's like. If I use a metal spoon in that pan, I'm going to get told off. So I have not found one of my daughter's rubber spoons. So once you've got a colour you're happy with, put them onto a baking tray and get them in the oven with the bacon. So once we've flipped it, I've got some butter that we can put down the sides. That's going to help crisp and flavour that. So while that rosti is cooking away at the back, we're going to start our eggs. Eggs in. So we're going to give that a whisk around for a little bit, almost like a scrambled egg, but I want it to stay omelette-y. Now we can season the eggs. Voila! Look at the colour of that rosti. How awesome is that? Look at that bacon! So we've got our potato rosti, folded egg omelette, crispy bacon, sausage meat patties, and we've got our cheese and ketchup just under you. Everything's now out the oven. I've just turned the oven off, but with the warmth of the oven, I'm going to throw the wrap in there just to warm it through, and it's easier to fold and manipulate. Listen to this rosti. Oh my god. Wrap is out, let's assemble. So I want a warm wrap, ketchup, bacon. Oh, I've got bacon fingers. I've got bacon fingers. Cheese, folded egg, 2 of our pork patties, and then that rosti. And then in true McDonald's style, we've got ourselves a breakfast wrap. Should we get into this wrap, guys? Oh my god. There's the bacon. I just got a bit of bacon that time. That rosti, so crispy. So crispy around the edges. Sausage meat, not quite like McDonald's, but super good. Everything is just there. The rosti's really herby. And where that was a pre-bought sausage mix, there's something very sagey in there as well that comes through. Egg is just softening everything up. Bacon, crispy. Sausage, porky. If I was to make up another one, I'll tell you what I'd do. Another little bit of cheese, because I'm not getting much of the cheese in there. So maybe throw some more cheese in there than just one slice. But other than that, I've got myself some lunch to eat. And that's the end of this video. So that's it for today's video, guys. Oh, and also just to clarify, when I did the wrap, I just used the average generic size tortilla wrap that you can buy in most supermarkets. I didn't go for the bigger one. I sort of wrapped it off camera and I didn't like the look of it, so just the normal size tortilla. If you like the video, please remember to stick a like on it. If you enjoyed the video and you want to see more like this in the future, please remember to hit the subscribe button. It's free after all, and you can always unsubscribe later. And don't forget to hit the notification bell, and you'll be the first to be alerted for all future videos coming to the channel. So now it's over to you. Why don't you give this recipe a go? If you do, send me a picture on social media. All applicable links are down in the description box below. If you've got any ideas for future videos for the channel, please remember to stick them in the comment box below. I'll look at all your comments and I will reply to you as soon as I can. Please let me know what you thought of this video in the comments box below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Check out another video here or here and subscribe down there. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Take care. Oh, don't tell the wife I'm using a good tea towel for this.